This is Hale Hall. That's a weird indicator. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, it smells weird in here. Oh, it has green though. Alright. Oh, I love that motor. This is interesting. Green GALVR.
That's look for a bell.
Oh, it does? Wait. No.
Don't.
You said it had a gunk for a bell.
It had a clunk for that bell.
Oh. Okay. I think you meant the alarm bell. I was gonna lose my mind. And it, oh, what the? I didn't see that. It changes colors.
Yeah.
That's so weird.
And the one is so dim.
Yeah, the numbers are dim. I want to get that from the outside. That's a neat indicator. I've never seen anything like it. That's a nice motor. That's cool. That's it.